मेरे को राज्यसभा के लिए नहीं करनी अब।
हाँ,
अब मेरा एक सपना है,
बताइए।
नरेंद्र मोदी को विपक्ष में बैठना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
सीरियसली, आई मीन, उस बिना उनको हराए मुझे नहीं लगता कि तपस्या सफल होगी।
पर
वो
ये तो
रिटायर हो जाए उसका क्या फायदा। He has to be sitting in the opposition, facing all the insults that we faced in the last 10 years, that our leaders have faced in the last 10 years. That's a very uh, obsessive dream that I have.
it seems like it's not a dream that any others in the senior level in your party share, because we don't
Maybe
see
they
that
are
kind of.
large-hearted enough. I am not.
Okay, so you are interested in taking down Modi, not Amit Shah or Yogi or any of these people, but only Modi.
Modi is the prime minister. ये लोग तो सब अभी बेचारे लड़ रहे हैं आपस में, उनको छोड़िए। वो तो आपस में एक दूसरे को कर देंगे जो करना होगा।
दिस इज आज अखिलेश ने पार्लियामेंट में बोले हैं कि ऐसे लग रहा है कि रेलवे की डब्बियां एक दूसरे से
हाँ, वो
टकरा
तो
रही
they
हैं।
will take care of each other.
Oh, so you think that there's going to be some kind of an internal war
It's
in?
going on as we speak.
हाँ,
As we speak, it's going on.
एंड उसमें आपका कुछ हाथ है
नहीं,
आपकी
हमारा
पार्टी
कोई, they are self-sufficient.
का? So you think that they're going to collapse under their own weight?
Believe me, they will.
Okay, and the only person who you want
What
to
happened after अटल जी? 2004 के बाद क्या हुआ भाजपा का? 10 साल क्या हुआ भाजपा का? वही खींचातानी। प्रमोद महाजन जी जब तक जीवित थे तब तक क्या हो रहा था?
कुछ नहीं हो रहा था। कहाँ खींचाते हैं तानी?
बहुत हो रही थी, अंदर ही अंदर तो सब चल ही रहा था। फिर प्रमोद महाजन जी जब चले गए तो सब शांत हो गया। फिर अडवाणी जी ही बचे, फिर वो थे, तो सब आगे भी यही दिख ही रहा है आपको जो हो रहा है।
पर जब अटल बिहारी सरकार जब वो गिरी, a large part it was said that it was because of the India Shining campaign. I don't believe that it was only because of that. There were many people who felt that he doesn't have it in him because health has taken a toll to lead the country anymore. That's why you got a fractured mandate at that time. I don't think even the Congress thought they're going to be forming a government. That's what I mean. At that time, what I was reporting, उस time तो लग भी नहीं रहा था. In fact, I was at a party or whatever you want to call it, a lunch which was thrown by Sonia ji, and पता नहीं मैं भी invited थी उसमें, and उसमें Sonia ji was asking the journalists around, तो आप क्या सोचते हैं क्या होने वाला है इस बार? Very innocently she was asking while she was eating chocolate cake to ask कि क्या होने वाला है, because it seemed even to her it didn't seem like she was going to be probably a prime minister candidate within a few weeks from then. At that stage, it didn't seem like it at that time. So that came as a surprise to your party. But what you are saying is कि मोदी जी को single-handedly
और 2029 से पहले होगा ये। 2029 तक की इंतजार मुझे नहीं लगता करनी पड़ेगी इस देश को चुनाव के।
मिड टर्म इलेक्शंस
होगा।
तो आपकी पार्टी तैयारी में है?
बिल्कुल, हम उसी के हिसाब से चल रहे हैं और चलना भी